Alright guys, I came back at the school. This is bugging me all day. I've been having problems. What I did was, you remember with the 21 turn, I was having glitches and all types of problems. And I think that one went 20.4 miles an hour. I found the almost new Johnson. This is a Tamiya Johnson series 540 motor in there. So I'm going to try it out. I have the 21 tooth pinion in there. I don't know how fast this is going to be, but I'm going to try it out because I had them glitching issues and I had loss of control on this thing ever since I put that 21 turn motor in it. So let's give this a whirl and see if this fixes the problem. It's probably going to look like crap because I'm here at night and there's no light, but let's see if this let me go on the other side because I'm getting a shadow here. I'm getting a shadow here too. Can't do nothing about it. I'm here at night. Let's see if the glitching, if I lose control. Yep, I'm losing control again. I don't know what the hell this is, guys. Either the ESC's gotta be bad. So it wasn't the motor. I don't have no steering at all right now. It's weird. I don't know what's wrong with it. Whoa, I'm losing control. Maybe they have something in this building. Let's see if I could get a speed test with this anyhow real quick. I don't know why I have no range anymore. Ever since I switched that motor, it was shutting down the ESC. Maybe something's wrong with the ESC now. Now this motor only goes, I don't know if you guys could see it, 17.5 miles an hour. So that's the slowest one yet. I gotta figure out what's wrong with this, guys. It's driving me crazy. It's obviously not the motor. So it's gotta be either the ESC or the receiver. And it's not my radio because I was using my radio with another car and it worked. So it's got to be either that ESC or the receiver. This is puzzling. Alright guys, I came to the school. We're going to GPS this again. I had a lot of problems. I was losing control at the other spot. And I was testing the 21 turn. And I had an 18 tooth pinion in there. And I think I recorded my top speed was 20.4 miles an hour. I found out what the problem was. It was my receiver went bad, so I put a new one in. And now I got the 21 turn, but I also put the 21 tooth pinion gear in there. So we're going to see how fast this goes now on the GPS. Alright, let's see how fast it goes. This is 21 turn motor, 21 tooth pinion gear. Let's see what it does. We got 23.4 miles an hour. Damn, that's pretty quick. Let's see if I can beat it real fast. Try it again. Pretty quick. Let's see what she got. 24.4 the second time around. Let me hold that up. You can see it right there. Alright, that's it for the GPS speed test. Guys, I know it's dark, I replaced the receiver and it seems to work. So I guess my receiver went bad. I'm gonna have to order some new Fly Sky receivers. They are old. And anyhow, I fixed it. Now I don't know, I'm just gonna put that 21 turn back in, guys. Thanks for watching.